Hey guys, welcome back. So today I received my design team package from KSCRAFT. So I wanted to show you what I made. I made two projects. Let me show you the dies first. So I got this cute little raccoon. He's the one you have to kind of paper piece together. And then I guess cut out the around it. But I used him. They also have these cute little flowers with the leaves, very cute. I like the way they emboss it and everything. Then you have this one here. It's like a kind of like an open doily. It's really cute. And then we have the backpack. It's like a purse backpack. Then I got this one. I haven't used this one yet, but it's like smaller flowers. And then this cute little, like a banner type, and it has the little bells, little flowers, a star, and little bows. Then we have this one here that says thank you. And then this one that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles with the XOXO and the heart in the middle. Really cute. And then we have this style. And then this gorgeous wing. This wing it's pretty big. It's almost 5 inches. So it's a nice size wing. So we got that one. Okay, so what I made was this adorable little card, starting, I guess, Christmas cards. And there he is holding the little present, his little hat. What I did was I used a Sharpie and I just colored in the tail and his eye section. That's what I did. And then I made him all, like the back of him, he's like on pink paper, and then it's like all the pieces you glue on that paper. And then you have to fuzzy cut around him. So we got that. That's the doily. And that's the other piece in the inside. These roses I made, they're like rolled flowers. And then these are the beautiful leaves. You see how it embosses? I love that. And that's it. I didn't do anything on the inside yet. And then this is the adorable backpack. And this is the flower I was telling you that they have, except this. This is a centerpiece I just added. But look how pretty. And the leaves. And this is the backpack. See? And you got your little zipper. I love the handles. And then the inside is a nice size. Let's see. Inside, once you open, it's about 3 inches. And tall is 4. And then all you got to do is put your little Velcro dot. And there you go. This adorable little backpack. But yeah, just a quick little project share showing you some of the new dies from KSCRAFTS. I'll put the links in the description bar, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.